Bitcoin fell 10% overnight, wiping out lots of leverage. Chainlink could be getting ready to take off, and Solana hits a huge milestone. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. If you haven't checked out Altcoin Buzz Alpha yet, you're going to want to soon. We just DCA'd into 2 high conviction gems, and you may want to find out where we're putting our attention. On top of that, get up to 8 exclusive alpha reports, leads, early IDOs, and more every month. Check out Altcoin Buzz Alpha along with our free market report with the links down below. Revenue for Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, or CCIP, has surged 180% over the past 2 months amid increasing adoption of the multi-chain bridging platform. Fee revenue for CCIP has gone up from around $61,000 in total for January to more than $171,000 in just the first 2 weeks of March. Meanwhile, the total cumulative revenue for the cross-chain protocol, which launched in July 2023, has reached $377,000 according to Dune Analytics. Ethereum Layer 2 protocol Arbitrum is the largest source of CCIP network fees, with 28% of the total, followed by Base with 24%. Crypto trader Satoshi Flipper wrote on X, "Some of you are so busy crying about why your link hasn't pumped yet. According to your desired time horizon, you're completely ignoring the massive adoption CCIP is undergoing right now. Chainlink is the most important tech in this entire space. Yep, I said it. $200 for one link is FUD. CCIP recently made a number of integrations to increase adoption. These include the Metis Layer 2 network, auditing platform code for Arena, and stablecoin issuer Circle. It also partnered with Swift in 2022 for a proof of concept token transfer project. CCIP is a protocol that allows smart contracts to securely access data from any external API or system, enabling seamless and trustless data connectivity between blockchains and off-chain systems through the decentralized Oracle network. Chainlink also gets revenue from network node operators, a small portion of staking, network revenue share, and enterprise products. Its total cumulative revenue is $373 million, with the majority coming from Oracle feeds. Solana's cryptocurrency market cap reached an all-time high of $81.1 billion on Friday morning in Asia, peaking at $186 before the market sell-off this morning. Even though the price is not the highest it's been, it's reached an all-time high in terms of market cap as more tokens came into circulation since the last bull run. Solana ran up 10% in the last 24 hours, led by a frenzy of meme coin buying. Benjamin Stanley, Director of Business Development at Matrixport, said it's meme coin-led chain activity that's driving SOL up. Solana-based meme coins have excelled in the markets in the past day. Dog with Hat jumped 20%, Popcat surged 35%, and Bonk added 10%. Stanley said that Solana-based Bonk and Dog with Hat are the first non-Ethereum meme tokens that hit $1 billion market cap, and it means there's a clear usage for Solana. A notable development for Solana SPL tokens was when Coinbase, a leading US exchange, created a webpage titled How to Buy Geo Bodin, directing users to CoinMarketCap for listings. Bodin is one of the many new meme coins on Solana that have been taking off as well. And earlier this week, the Solana network updated its record for the daily number of active new addresses on the blockchain. The number of daily new addresses reached 738,000 on Wednesday. With all the new tokens popping off on Solana and how cheap it is for people to buy these tokens compared to ETH, I'm sure we'll see a $200 Solana very soon, with a new all-time high in its price shortly after. Our partners at Edu3 Labs just announced a new app today for airdrop hunters. They shared on X exciting news alert introducing LayerDApp, your ultimate airdrop solution, now live. Say goodbye to the hassle of hunting airdrops. LayerDApp aggregates airdrops across multiple networks, making participation effortless. Plus, it's powered by NFT tokens, offering exclusive benefits and utility. Developed by Edu3 Labs, LayerDApp aims to educate users in the airdrop hunting field, empowering them to streamline their participation. In a nutshell, Edu3 Labs is like the Web3 version of Udemy. It's a platform that combines blockchain and education. With it, token holders, learners, and content creators come together to help each other. Moreover, Edu3 Labs aims to make learning fun and engaging for its learners. NFE is their token, which went live earlier this month and had a 55 times oversubscribed IDO. Since then, Edu3 Labs has gone on to get listed on CoinGecko, ranking the top 7 projects launched on GameFi by ROI, launch reserve bonds with 8bond, and launch their token staking pool on DAOmaker. There's a lot happening with Edu3 Labs, so make sure to check them out and their new airdrop solution LayerDApp with the link down below. The price of Bitcoin plunged amid a hectic day that saw crypto liquidations top $661 million over the past 24 hours, affecting nearly 200,000 traders. In early trading on March 15th, Bitcoin shed 7.5% in just a few hours, falling from $72,000 to $66,500. The asset rebounded slightly to reclaim the $68,000 level before getting rejected there and falling further to around $67,000 at the time of writing. The price is currently almost 10% down from its March 14th all-time high of $73,750. The vast majority of liquidations, about 80%, were long positions amounting to $525 million in liquidations over the past 24 hours. The entire crypto market cap declined by 7.5% on the day to reach $2.7 trillion as around $175 billion exited the space. Crypto derivatives tooling provider Greeks Live said on X there had been a recent change in the market tempo on March 14th. The current narrative of ETF inflows may be starting to turn. And the lead analyst at the Australian crypto exchange SwiftX, Pav Hundal, said that there could be a correction back into the low $60,000 or high $50,000 levels if ETF volumes continue to decline. He added what's concerning is that Bitcoin ETF inflow volumes were down 48% on their 14-day average yesterday. Aggregate spot Bitcoin ETF inflows were just 133 million on March 14th, the lowest they've been this month, according to data from Farsight Investors. And Credible Crypto wrote, didn't get that push higher, and instead it looks like this drop we've been looking for is playing out now. Note that this recent drop has wiped most of our built-up open interest, but we still have a bit more room to go before hitting the baseline, so we could go lower in the green zone I marked off at $63,000 to $64,000. This would be a logical place to expect a bounce or reversal. Also, the release of economic data in the United States this week may have accelerated the drop. Fresh Producer Price Index or PPI data coming in above expectations fuel projections for prolonged higher rates from the Federal Reserve. Meanwhile, hotter than expected Consumer Price Index or CPI data is seen to have exacerbated America's economic woes. The stock markets in Asia also retreated on Friday after the United States economic data dashed hopes that lower interest rates were coming soon. Also, make sure to check out Randy's TA video from yesterday on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel where he predicted a Bitcoin shakeout would be coming. Space and Time, or SXT, a decentralized data warehouse that uses artificial intelligence to train its data models, will be launching its network on a zkSync hyperchain. Blockchain networks often operate in silos, having limited interoperability with other chains. zkSync hyperchains offer a solution by providing an open source framework specifically designed for ZK rollups and Layer 3 networks. This enables the creation of interconnected ecosystems through decentralized sequences that allows for more efficient transaction processing. Moreover, hyperchains incorporate hyperbridges, which facilitate seamless asset and data transfers across different blockchains. By addressing interoperability challenges, zkSync hyperchains are able to streamline transactions, reduce fees, and foster a more scalable blockchain ecosystem. Space and Time is used to aggregate and analyze blockchain data, which can then be sent back to smart contracts. The data platform will deploy as a zero-knowledge proof verifiable compute layer and ensure that accurate, verifiable, and tamper-proof information is being funneled through smart contracts and enterprises. Scott Dijkstra, co-founder and chief technology officer at Space and Time, said given our commitment to ZK, we knew we wanted to leverage a ZK EVM as our network's dedicated settlement layer. zkSync is best in class in fulfilling the vision of trustless layer 2s, offering extremely fast and low-cost ZK-proven transactions.